Kum kajing itho bar kajing aingo ya kajing treasure ham jo ka Shillong Traffic ka Shillong Municipal Board bar ki Train Nurse Association of India khamtam hakapor bdang porsted u coronavirus ka Sankardaf College Shillong menta kasngi ka kharpratarik kala pen ko burami ki bat kum kajing rakhi ru ya kajing kenjo on repos nam lani ka Diamond Jubilee jong katika college hagati kasngi lawan bani dan bentalang ka Deputy Commissioner jo ka East Khasi Hills District ka kong Isawanda lalu kum ka kong san uba Sylvester Nongtenger Superintendent of Police baru FB Khan Executive Engineer ka Municipal Board na lor kiwe haba ajing keren hakate kesngi ke DC kala banjur ya ke jingdon kam ban penbet ya ke kompania ki kali kala purturu ya ke jing trekam jong ki pulet ban peniat kali ban wanra ya ke jing pensting haka Jingkhapngiah palat ka ya ke yeng pag baktaru ya ki paj ba Salonsar haka jo ke por kala yero ya ki dukhat ke Municipal Board ki belalong ke stay khamtam haka por bedang sedang ke klam covid haka ba ki babon kimnut war ban Ktah ki tiar jabo ki bami nagi hospital hendre ke Municipal Board kam ban se ban shimti
call upon all of you to work with us, to work with the district administration and the police department in trying to come up with solutions. From time to time, we have been trying to engage with communities, with Dorbashna, with schools, with educational institutions, with parents. Simple things like parking vehicles on the roadside in the morning hours or even in the night hours may lead to a terrible jam because, the arterial roads are all blocked. Simple things like thinking that parking your bike for half a minute or 2 minutes just to make it easier for you to run to the nearby store to complete your errand leads to a tremendous log jam. So we know that it is paramount that all of us take it upon ourselves. It requires a certain behavior change. It requires a certain change in our thinking in order to be able to tackle this crisis. Let me tell you that we are working hard on the solutions, but we also require each and every one of you to help us out.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with a mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.